Okay, we're going to look for some horses coming through here that are plowing.
Harvesting corn.
See the horses out
There
here?
they're coming.
Oh, yeah.
Look at them harvesting there.
Well, my goodness.
Look at here, Sue.
Uh-huh. That's already tied up, isn't it?
Will you get some?
Oh, it's coming off of the... Well, it looked like it was tied in bundles, but how do they do that going through? How are they going to follow that? Looks like it'd fall off of that wagon.
This is a corn harvester. He's being pulled by a horse.
Horses.
I don't know how long it's going to take him to come back here, but we're going to try to hopefully catch him coming back here. We'll see what we can find.
And the horse is just pulling that machine, aren't they?
Yeah. Pulling.
It's the corn harvester coming. They're harvesting their corn. Got two teams there. They come along and they just harvest the rows of corn. Pretty interesting guys there. That's the Amish guys harvesting the corn there. You won't see that too often very much anywhere but here. Sorry for the shaky video. I'm out here on the side of the road trying to videotape this. It's a little difficult. I just thought that was pretty interesting. I'm gonna let y'all see that.
Thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, kindly like, share, and leave us a comment. If you have not done so already, please subscribe.